video tour of 5213 King Charles Way. This is our COVID special walkthrough video. We all know in these trying times we really don't want people being closer than 6 feet apart, so we are going to create this video so that if you're interested and need to come in and see it, you will, but otherwise you get a sense of the spacing without having to come to the property. So here we are. Come on in, Stephen, carefully if you like. You'll see I'm in the main entrance walkway. If you can follow me into this large open space. The dining area could indeed be here. Of course, you have such a large eat-in kitchen, you could have it there. And a big living room with a wood-burning fireplace, as well as a large outdoor balcony. In fact, why don't I go ahead and open that so you can just see how big it is. I see there's a storage shed out there, Stephen. Is that an HVAC in it?
That's actually just straight storage. So
Straight
there's
storage.
ample storage for this community.
Okay, that's great. I'm going to break the doors and put it open. There we are. So you can take a look at this large terrace. Oh, those are my favorite cherry blossoms. So cheery. Even in this time, right? Nice to have a little cherry. Okay, so you can come right back in. As you can see, it's a sunken living room. And we'll walk into the kitchen. What do you say?
Sounds great.
Okay.
Lead on.
So, for those who are interested, the schools that this property feeds to are the Walter Johnson High School, the
Ashburn Elementary
Ashburn.
and North Bethesda Middle School.
North Bethesda Middle School, and Ashburn Elementary. Wonderful schools. If you check on the website, you'll see if you want to apply. Of course, all schools right now are indeed closed. However, they are. Montgomery County has had a wonderful tele-school system. My high school daughter is doing it herself. As you can see, my lovely mask and gloves are here for when I get back in my car to go home. But you can see how large this kitchen area is. Beautiful under lighting. New countertops. You can see how light and bright it is. New ceiling fan. You could eat in the kitchen, but if you decided to really just prefer to eat and run off to school or work, clean the wall oven over here, decent size. Pantry, which I'm not going to open because my shoes are in there. But we'll walk out here. I'm just going to show you a little half bath on this level. Powder room. And now, Stephen, I'm going to let you go up the stairs, and I'm going to meet you there. Of course, there's this under staircase storage closet here, more storage. That's great. So there are 2 levels to this property, right, Stephen?
That's correct.
This level and the level upstairs. All right, I'm going to let you go upstairs.
And the carpeting was just installed last month. And the flooring on the upper level was also put in at the same time.
Carpet's very nice. All right, here we are on the 2nd level. Stephen is backing up into the master bedroom, so I'll let him take a look around. Really large master bedroom. This is a queen-size bed in this room. You can see the vaulted ceilings, but with the queen-size bed, you can see how very, very large this room is. Stephen gets a video of me in the corner. There is a large master closet over there. Do you want me to turn the light on?
Got it?
Private balcony. There are 3 balconies on this property. Really stunning. And a beautifully updated full bath. Over here, gorgeous showers. That lovely window there. one has 2 closets, one over here, right? And then the second one behind the entry door. And its own balcony. So 2 master bedrooms, each with its own full bath, each with its own balcony. The total square footage in this place is 1620, I believe.
That's correct.
Condo fees for this building are under 400 a month. It's 375. Is that what they
$375 a month,
Okay.
and that takes care of all the common area, landscaping, management fees, and this is just a 20-unit little development here, it's a little enclave in the middle of Bethesda.
It's wonderful because you are also within walking distance of the metro, literally walking distance of the metro. There is also the Grosvenor market that's within walking distance. There's restaurant. At some point, there will be restaurants and shopping areas very, very close.
Yeah, we're right, no more than a mile